Hi guys, this is just a quick way on how I check glow plugs, whether they're working or not. What you want to put your multimeter on is the ohms section, 200. If you haven't got the numbers, then just put it on the ohms and it will automatically select what number it needs for you. So I put the black one on here, the red one on there. And I'm getting 1.1, so that one's okay. That one's also okay. That one's also okay. I'm not getting nothing on this one. Another way you can check, put it on the bleeper setting. Continuity on that one and that one. This one. Not sure if you guys can hear that, but not getting nothing on that one. This glow plug here is no good. Hope that helps. Please like and subscribe. It just helps the channel out a bit. Thank you very much for watching.